today I'm going to be showing you guys these Hanabi sparklers by Winda. This is one of the packs I picked up from the other day. It says it lasts approximately 55 seconds. It comes in a pack of 4. Pretty cool, pretty cool. They have some really cool effects. Nice little gold effect. Anyway, so this is what it looks like. It's pretty big compared to a standard sparkler. As you can see, there's a huge size difference. Obviously these are way cooler, not as annoyingly bright as these Morning Glory type sparklers. But anyways, I'm gonna head outside real quick and show you guys what these do. Alright, so I'm gonna light this one up from up high so you guys can kind of get a glimpse of how far the sparks fall. Alright, so hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. I personally thought the sparks didn't go down as far as they used to. I've lit a few of these before, but the sparks seem to go down a lot further. I'm not sure why they didn't with this, well, with that pack that I lit. I don't know, maybe it was just a funky pack. I'll have to try again with these next ones that I have, but anyways, they're still pretty cool. I enjoy those way more than the Morning Glories. They don't blind me, and such a cool effect with these. So I think they're pretty cool. Only at like $3-4 a pack. Not bad, I guess, but it'd be better to buy them in bulk for sure. But anyways, hopefully you guys liked the video. That was a cool, quick little review. Thanks for watching.